Oh no. See moment, Nnamdi Kanu shed tears. Immediately he was relieved of one count charge by the court today. Wow, my people, now small. Now small. A pot of soup is not just cooked. It takes a lot of process before a pot of soup is completely cooked. The issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is just like that very pot of soup. Nnamdi Kanu's release will not just happen, but it will happen through a process. And that process is what has really begun. Look at it. One count charge out of all that was levied against Nnamdi Kanu has just been withdrawn today. You see that? And of which the federal government didn't have one word to say as regard that. And we were told in this very content that immediately the judge pronounced Nnamdi Kanu free of that very count charge. Oh no. Tears dropped off the eyes of the IPOP leader. So a lot of things came into the mind of the people, the listeners, the observers, and even the lawyers. What has made the IPOP leader to shed tears? There is fire on the mountain. You understand? There is fire on the mountain. Let's quickly check on the content, my dear listeners. This is evening news. Today's trial was more or less like a miracle as the IPOP leader shed tears in court. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who before everyone has pleaded not guilty of one count charge levied against him by the federal government of Nigeria. The court has finally relieved the IPOP leader of that very allegation, saying that Nnamdi Kanu has proved innocent. Justice Bentan Nyako, the presiding officer of today's trial, have said that the IPOP leader, since the beginning of this trial, has proved himself innocent. Reading it out, the courts has proved that Nnamdi Kanu has been declared free of 7 count charge, 10 count charge, 11 count charge, especially today's count charge, which was placed on him. Justice Binta Nyako has said that the calmness and the strict observation of today's trial shows that the IPOP leader is already on his way to be free. So pleading to the observers, he said that the IPOP leader should be given the opportunity to meet his client each time he wishes to, because that is the reason for us to have gotten a peaceful hearing today. If Nnamdi Kanu is not given the opportunity to meet his client, how can he be able to present something tangible before the court today? Justice Binta Nyako, who spoke with fairness, has called for adjournment of the trial. You see that? Well, it's a miracle. That's how everyone will call it or we say it. The IPOP leader from day one has been pleading not guilty of all allegations. There has never been a time Nnamdi Kanu pleaded guilty of any count charge. There has never been a time. Look at today. The one they levied against him is still pleaded not guilty of it. He still pleaded not guilty of it. So which other allegation will they bring forth that will make Justice Binta Nyako to say, okay, Nnamdi Kanu, you are alleged of this, you are guilty of this? If it is the colloquial, they will say, abeg, Nigeria, make una go rest. And that's the truth. You understand? That is the truth. So, my dear people, it's a shocker, to be frank. You know, when we saw this in the content, that the federal government, the court has relieved Nnamdi Kanu of one count charge out of all count charge levied against the IPOP leader in court, I was shocked. But then I will say that it's a miracle. It's a miracle, because if this very appeal has not been sought, this miracle wouldn't have taken place. You understand now? So just as Justice Binta Nyako has pleaded to all that has observed the trial, I too will want to plead to the DSS officers to be sincere in their doings. You understand now? In their doings. And try to see that the IPOP leader is secured in the custody. Okay? So let's hear from you and let's know what your own take and opinion on this very broadcast may be. Don't forget, your comments still are very, 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 very important. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.